Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night, Mr. Dwi, as my lecturer in this course, Learn Manufacturing. Well, in this occasion, I would like to present my research study case. Let me presenting first. Okay, study case. Maturing process improvement in the Johnson Control Interiors, Holland, Michigan, 1999, from 101 mini case studies that reveal learn success and failures by Richard G. Skoberger. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is jhindan.fiasta. I'm from morning class industrial engineering at President University. Before I continue my presentation, I would like to express deepest gratitude to my God, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and I would like to say thank you for you, Mr. Dwi Kurniawan, as my lecturer in this course, and I would like to say thank you also to my family and my friends. Okay, let's going to the presentation. First is company description. So my lecturer give me a code. This is my code 40 with this case John Control Interior. So GCI or John's Control Interiors, formerly Prince Corporation. This family-owned business grew from a machine shop some 30 years ago to a major producer of automotive interior except seat. And Prince was sold in 1996 to Johnson Control, in part to generate more cash for Prince family members to disperse philanthropically. This business is now a component along with GCI long-standing auto seat business of the Automotive System Group, headquartered in Plymouth, Michigan. So to make sure, I would like to show you about the historical timeline of this company. This company start from 1883. Warren Johnson patent the electric telethermoscope, a building temperature control device. So this company start from this thing. And my case is 1996. Johnson Control make a seat. So after the owner is changed, the Johnson Control make a seat for more than 8 million new automobiles. It's very amazing. And after that, in 1999, the company got Supplier of the Year. It's very amazing. Okay, let's go back. The company description again. This company planned from sun visor, door panel, headliner, cockpit, and extra. The company has 5,000 employees in the 7 focus factory. You can read by yourself for console, armrest, and so on, less injection molding. Okay. The owner have long established a culture of treating people well. Number 1 is always attention to ergonomic and safety in the workplace. He always give the occasion to the employee voice. He is avoiding a bad behavior or unsafe condition. And the adoption of loose and strict concept of policy and rules of conduct. So this company is built consistency of its employee. The purpose is to decrease the impact of team to run cold or low in output. And it builds consistency, make a good process to process flow, cycle times in cutting process, and decrease need for buffer stock. And company, this is the problem identification and improvement opportunities, the company strength and weakness. So let's see the company strength first. Learn schedule. Okay, GCI is an early bird adopter. Yeah, more than 10 years ago in 1990s, with intensive sample of effective implementation like cell, Kanban, lot size, style of assembly, and modularity, training with a proposed cross-training and so on. And the second is programmatic is banned. Yeah, in GCI has avoid hopping onto every wall management. So that come some of the term of customer use extensively. Like Kaizen Bokayuke learn have mixed easily with GCI established repair system. And the third is consistency is must. Okay. And they are focus product design development, learn equipment. Yeah. And so on. There are a lot of companies trying because the company has a good foundation. And let's talk about the company weakness, TPM. The TPM is very automatic. GCI Holland has many tools which recommend good maintenance TPM. This has a good maintenance, but a supervisor work, but the supervisor workforce has a lot of untapped potential, especially in relation to TPM, which is the most obvious drawback or opportunity for significant improvement. And above all, TPM means operator own the equipment with maintenance as facilitator, but that's not the case at the GCI Holland. And the performance measurement, yeah, the excellent trend in manufacturing management is changing performance measurement to reflect a new era of improved empowerment as opposite to the command and the control. And some of the current derivative action track on the factory floor and cell-to-cell training. Yeah, expanding training and rotating in the way broadens overall product awareness and generate ideas for solving problems that may not happen to people with a narrower understanding. And operator involved in cell design redesign. The cell design is large and engineering manufacturing function with limited involvement. So the Kaizen tap into the idea of the cell term, but mostly to change the redesign and operation of the cell and not to suggest meaningful cell and design change. And the competitive analysis and benchmarking. Yeah, the entire workforce, not just professional staff, must keep up abreast of and even participate in the information gathered. And the problem identification I took from these six weakness, and the priorities is TPM system and performance measurement. Well, the TPM system has some of the problem analysis 5S, especially focus on the good housekeeping and extra. Okay, other under TQ and TPM, all employee must be but do not recording every hitch up in the process. The loss method process is collect data about intrusion and exclusion. Okay, and currently the operator does not lubricate the equipment. Please open it is for cleaning and toning, making simple repairs and extra. So maintenance must take the role of the teacher and facilitator, monitor this transfer to operator. And the performance measurement, one of the aims is to reduce the emphasis on aggregate action. Yeah, like efficiency, utilization, lost time, accident, inventory, and so on. Yeah, which come from so many factors, cannot be fairly linked to any one process team. Instead, take an action rearranging in such a way to is straightforward the effect of good process management in the trade. So focus on the TPM. Total means the part of all work or employee include all division, operation, equipment, and process. Productive means the maximum point of efficiency in production system by making all those zero accident, zero defects, zero breakdowns. Maintenance means the good system or life cycle to keep the equipment or machine in the efficiency point. Okay, let's talk about the benefit of TPM, total productive maintenance. The direct and indirect. Direct is less unplayed. You can read by yourself, yeah. Product clean for indirect, yeah. Pollution contribution to follow. There's a lot of benefit. So the purpose improvement, they are a support pillar for TPM success improvement productivity as a recommendation improvement. Recommendation through a pillar TPMR, 5S autonomous maintenance, Kaizen plan maintenance, quality maintenance training, office total productive maintenance, and safety, health, and environment. So for 5S, in 5S is more interest in cleanness condition on production machine and around the machine. So the 5S is start from cleanness and arranging, set, and etc. Okay, and autonomous maintenance. Autonomous maintenance in this concept, there is a process of knowledge about the machine from the technique. So the technician should have know about the machine, understanding the machine operation, machine process, system safety, and etc. So and also basic maintenance of the machine. And Kaizen, plan and maintenance. Kaizen is a responsibility all personnel from operator level down level until top level. By starting activity at operator group whose function is to overcome problem that exists in the machine environment. So all of the employee or of the operator should has any responsibility. And quality and plan and quality maintenance, the design of the quality maintenance model, there are two. Yeah, there are two, which are maintenance quality function development, and this is consists of two stage. First stage is design house of quality, and the second is implementation of strategic decision. And the training is carried out regularly and gradually by the company carry out the training only. So the training is to control the technician about increasing their skill and abilities. And office total product management. In this TPM, office is done, increase understanding and awareness of the principle of correct work, uh, with mapping of on productivity, quality, cost, delivery, safety, and moral, storage of data on loss that have occurred during the last 1 year, and making corrective action and prevention. And safe health and environment, they are evaluation or sanction they are imposed when there are operator or employee who do not use complete equipment when entering the environment production. Is stand to the regulation for safety and health. Well, I think that's all from my research uh, and my analysis. This is my reference. This is end of the presentation. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night.